Okay, from our previous work, we now know we can take the project network from 12 days to 8 days, but now we want to figure out what's the optimum cost time schedule. And there's two things to keep in mind here. Yes, direct costs go up as we reduce the duration of the project because it costs us more to craft certain activities. At the same time, as we reduce the duration of the project, there are savings that occur. And these are indirect costs. Indirect costs like the salaries of project managers, overhead in terms of HR responsibilities, marketing and so forth, company-wide, corporate-wide costs that you can't assign to a specific activity, but they're associated with the overall cost of the project. And so as we reduce the duration of the project, those costs decline. So imagine that you're a project manager and you're getting paid $1,000 a week. And you're working on a project that's supposed to take 12 weeks. Then the cost of your salary is $12,000. Well, for each week we reduce that project, we save your salary. And that's represented in this decline in the indirect cost. And for our purposes, we're just saying it's 75 for each day off. And so we record the direct costs that we calculated in our step-by-step approach, and we add that to the indirect cost to figure out what the true total cost of the project is. Well, that's 2,000. This is 1975. Add these two numbers, it's 1970. Add these two numbers, it's 1985. And it goes up rather dramatically to 2040. So when we take into account both the direct and indirect costs, the sweet spot for this project, the optimum cost time schedule would indicate that we would do this in 10 days.